Hi smart people, Mr. H here. Today is Thursday, February 3rd, 22nd. Today we will go over Quizette 3, and then as promised I give you time to work on your ALEKS 3-7, 3-8, which is 3-8 had 3 parts, and CFA 7. Really important to get a good grade on your CFA 7. Okay, that is our first assessment for this poor progress report. A lot of student grade will go down when I put in this CFA if you don't get a good grade. Okay, try to get at least a C on this CFA. Alright, we're gonna go over Quizette 3 today. Alright, Quizette 3. A phone company offered 2 monthly plans. Plan A costs $15 plus additional 7 cents for each minute of calls. And Plan B costs $9 plus additional 9 cents for each minute of call. So as with minutes, that both plans cost the same. So we're gonna do is write an equation for this problem. We base on y equals to mx plus b. Okay, and b is your beginning and m is your slope, will tell you the pattern. In this case, you have the keyword is each, every, and per. That will tell you your slope. So m is 0.07. Then x is x. B is the beginning, is initial charging, which is $15. Y equal to 0.07x plus 15. Same thing for the second equation. Plan B costs $9 plus additional 9 cents for each, every, and per. That is your slope. Slope is 9 cents. Y equal to 0.09x plus $9 initial charge. By the way, before I forget, when you work on your CFA, you can use the Quizette. Take out your Quizette as the example. And we also have the orange paper that we did last time as the example for CFA. You can also take that out. Use that on the Quizette. Okay. Alright, for 2 plans cost the same mean that 2 equations equal to each other. So you're going to do is set them equal to each other. Plug this in place of y. That will give us 0.07x plus 15 equal to 0.09x plus 9. Then we solve for x. How do we solve for x? We have the variable on both sides, so you need to bring one of them to the other side by subtract 0.07 on both sides. Okay, when you do that, 0.07x take away 0.07x will give you 0. So we left with 15 on the left side. 0.09 take away 0.07 is 0.02x and plus 9. Okay, you have 9 cents, you take away 7 cents, you have 2 cents. That is 2 out of 100, so that's why we have 0.02. Okay, continue solving for x. You're going to subtract 9 on both sides. That will give us 6 equal to 0.02x. Then to continue solving for x, you will divide 0.02 on both sides. Okay. I don't have a calculator with me, so the trick here that you can do is move the decimal point 2 places over and then add 20 for the 6. So we will have 600 divided by 2, that will be 300 equal to x. Okay, if you plug in 6 divided by 0.02, you will have 300. 0.02 divide itself out, so you cross them out, leave you with x. X equal to 300. 300 of what? 300 what? What do you think? if you say 300 minutes, you get correct answer. Yes. So if you make a phone call if you make 300 phone call a month, then both plan will cost the same price. We'll charge you the same price. Okay. That's it for number 1. Number 2, we're gonna solve for x. Parenthesis means multiply. So you're gonna multiply 7 into parenthesis and multiply 5 into parenthesis. Okay, so we have 8 on top, you bring it down, plus 7 times x is 7x, 7 times 3 is 21, 5 times x is 5x, 5 times 8 is 40, plus 2x. Okay, then we will combining like term. 8 plus 21 will give you 29. And bring down 7x. Then 5x plus 2x will give you 7x plus 40. Like the last problem, if you have the variable on both sides, you have 7x on both sides, you need to bring one of them over. So what we're going to do is subtract 7x on both sides. But lucky us, 7x minus 7x is 0. We have 29. 7x minus 7x, we have 40. 29 equal to 40. It doesn't make sense. It's not true. 29 and 40 are not equal to each other. Because you cannot say I have $29 mean that I have $40. They're not the same thing. So it's a false statement. If it's false, we will have no solution. That's it. Number 3. Rachel can choose plan A or plan B for her long distance charges. Okay, so they give you the graph with the x-axis represent minutes used per month and y-axis represent the cost in dollars, and there's 2 lines, plan A and plan B. As how many minutes will both plans cost the same? At how many minutes will both plans cost the same? So like problem 1, 2 plans cost the same when their equation equal to each other. So in problem 3, 2 plans cost the same when 2 lines cross each other. So what we're going to do is extend the line. Plan A, the pattern is go up 1 over 2. We do the same, up 1 over 2 to extend the line. Do the pattern a couple times to extend your line. And to make sure that the line is extend correctly. Like that. Plan B. Plan B, look like you go up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. So we follow the pattern up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Now we see plan B and plan A meet right here. That is the first point for the intersection. If I keep going the pattern up 1 over 1, you will see the line now go to 2 separate places or 2 separate directions. Okay, let's go like this. So they cross right here, which is x value is 120, y value is 12. 120 and 12. What does it mean? 120 what and 12 what? So 120 is come from the x value, and x represent minute use. So that is 120 minutes. And 12 come from the y value. And y value represent the cost in dollars. So that is $12. So it means that if you make a phone call for 120 minutes long, it will cost you $12. Since 2 lines cross each other right there, so at 120 minutes, both plans will cost the same price, which is $12. Okay, so how many minutes will both plans cost the same? The answer is 120 minutes. Alright, that's it, guys. For the rest of the period, please go to your ALEKS and get your assignment done. Since I give you time to do it today, after your period, I will update your grade today after school. Okay, then yes, be prepared. If you see your grade going down, you know the reason why. So try to get the assignment done. Alright, thanks guys. Have a good day and see you all tomorrow.